Morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, new week, and today is March the 14th, and this is your opening comment. It is video number 1187 for this Monday morning. Plenty of news around. Asia is down hard again. Two reasons now. Uh, the one that's being talked about the most, though, is a COVID lockdown in China of Shenzhen. Shenzhen, in case you don't know, is the biggest manufacturing and technology hub in the country. I have been there. It is incredible. Um, the first time that I was there was a one lane road in and out of it. There are now mega highways, skyscrapers, etc. The problem, I guess, is pretty acute for Apple because Foxconn has shut down. They are the manufacturer and assembler in China of the iPhone. Berkshire Hathaway has now 10% of Oxy. If you recall, I mentioned it last week when Icon was selling his and Warren Buffett was buying more. It looks like there may have been a bit of a I want to sell it, I want to buy it kind of action between the two of them because the amounts are almost identical. Just a reminder that since Buffett financed the deal for Anadarko for Oxy with, I believe, $80 billion, $10 billion worth of 8% loans, 8.75% loans. Those also included warrants for Oxy stock at $62. It's still $6 behind that at 56, but the stock has moved from 20 to 60, so Buffett looks pretty good there. We will have our first rate hike this week. FOMC 2-day meeting. Uh, Powell already testified on the Hill about it, and so it seems to be pretty well in the market. Um, all of the talk about Russia and having ceasefire talks, I put absolutely no credence in that whatsoever. Excuse me. Putin is a thug. He's a liar. He's proven it. And I don't think you go from bombing residents and hospitals to a ceasefire. Uh, and he's also talking to China about helping them to rearm. So, not a good situation. Dow futures a couple of hours ago were up 400. They're currently up 162. Nasdaq was up 180. It's now down 42, and the S&P, which was up 50, is now up 11. So some pretty obvious stuff there. Germany is buying some more F-35 fighter jets. Lockheed Martin is trading at 447, up about $8, 1.8%. So that's not overwhelming as far as a coup for Lockheed Martin, but it is kind of overshadowing what's going on over in Europe. Um, the stock has had a really nice move of late from the about 400 to 450 range pretty well. Um, the banks are a little higher on higher interest rates. The 10-year is 208 this morning, up 8 basis points, and that is fairly steep. Okay, the grains for the most part are lower. We have oil down a little over $4 at 105. It was up a little last night. It was down a little further this morning, traded 102 and change, 102 and a half, last 105. Gold is lower, as is silver, platinum, copper, and palladium. Palladium, the biggest, down 200 and $9 to 20, just around 2,600. So that's a pretty hefty move, 8% or so in the palladium. Gold, I've seen it down as low as down about 30, currently down only half that, 14 and a half. Silver down a half a dollar. As far as the stock futures, as I mentioned, have gone from very strong to meh. Dollar is down about 26 cents, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are higher. All right, everyone, there you have it. I'll be back later if I have anything else to say. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Have a good morning.